start scooting. Okay, let's get it. Oh, we got one down. You've seen it here first, guys. I'm the first person to take a Yozma N10 Pro on a motocross track. The worst decision Yozma could have made was sending me an IN10 Pro model to test out. This thing's gonna go to the motocross track. But first, let's put it together. Gotta grab my key. It's a Yozma time, man. It's time for the Yozma N10 Pro. And look at this thing. We got zero miles on this thing. Absolutely 0 miles. Look at that. Brand spanking new. This thing has not touched anything. It is pure heart. We're gonna start in mode 3. We already got our sensors turned off. We're gonna see how this thing feels. But before I go, let's get a little panorama, or get a little view of it. Dang, this bike looking clean. Let's see how she shreds. We're like all red on red right now, and we hit Hangtown. There's no better place to try this bike than at the biggest, baddest track in NorCal, Hangtown. I'm gonna hop in with the kids on the pitter. What's happening? Let's go see how she goes. Woo, got some ponies. All right, so there's no gears, it's just all gas, no brake. Got the kids going. Oh God, they're gonna come after me. Oh, I can hear them coming. Ah, here they come. Oh, yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on! Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! These kids are crazy. Let's go inside rut. Come on! Let's go! It ain't no two-stroke. Oh, it goes downhill pretty quick though. Oh crap, this is scary. Oh, there's some serious braking bumps too. Oh shoot. Oh, let's go. Woo. I can't believe I just got roosted by a little 65. Oh, let's go, let's go. You've seen it here first, guys. I'm the first person to take a Yozma N10 Pro on a motocross track. And this thing gets it. Oh shoot. Let's go for the fly. Oh, we're scooting. Oh, we're scooting. We are not even gonna double that. Holy crap. Woo, shoot. That is a jump and a half. Oh my goodness. Maybe we can get a little rut action. Oh yeah, it falls in the rut's nice. This thing's actually fun, man. Suspension's not bad. This is a rough track day too. Ooh, inside. Yeah, far inside. Ooh, little whiskey rut. I hear a little one coming. That's the benefit of being on an e-bike, is the little kids, you can hear them coming. Go outside, give them an advantage. We are not going to try this. Oh, come on! Yeah! Okay, outside, outside. We're going to do the smooth line. Oh, we're going to get him! Ah, I'm coming! He's got more power. Oh. We're only going about 28, 30 miles an hour. Inside, inside. Maybe outside this time. We need the speed. We need the speed. Oh, come on. Oop. Come on. How much battery we got? I don't even know how much battery we got. It don't matter. Let's go. Oh, we're going 40. Oh, we're scooting. Okay, let's get it. Oh, we got one down. Oh. We got a little brawn down. Oh, it's a big hole. All right. Woo. Woo. There's a big hole. Another one. Okay. The 65 kids are showing me what's up. We're gonna get this rut better this time. My legs all the way up, just like Coach taught us. Who am I kidding? I can't afford a coach. Woo. Inside, inside. We don't need no rut. Oh, let's get it. Whew, shoot, that's a big hole. Oh my gosh, that hurt. That hurt a little bit. Inside, inside. Oh, we could clear one of these. We're gonna clear one of these jumps. Oh, that's like the fastest I hit that section. I can't even hit this section this fast on the 125. I missed the rut, but it don't matter. We're still getting it. I don't know why I'm talking to myself. I can't even breathe. Whoa. I just bottomed out the suspension. We're definitely gonna need fork seals after today. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Man, this thing is so much fun. And after like 6 miles, I only used 1 dot at third power on a track. That's not bad. I think there's like 4, there's 5. So there's 5 dots. I used 1/5 of the power, 6 miles. Not bad. That's 30 miles range at full power on a track. If I were to guesstimate. Damn, this thing scoots. Not a bad little setup. The suspension was actually really surprising. Like, I didn't expect the suspension to do well on the downhill going that fast, but it ate it up pretty good. But it was a good experiment to really put it through its paces. But we're gonna go and do the fun stuff now. Time for some wheelies. Let's go. That was sick. That's Boden. One Boden, Boden 1. Dude's gangster on the new N10 Pro. How sick.